Shares of Opendoor Technologies, NASDAQ, Open, were among the winners today after Fed Chair Jerome Powell gave dovish remarks about interest rates at a closely watched speech in Jackson Hole, Wyoming. Real estate stock investors have been anticipating news that the Federal Reserve would lower rates soon, and Powell's embrace of rate cuts sent Opendoor and its real estate tech peers soaring today. As of 1:02 p.m. Eastern Time, shares of the online real estate flipper were up 13.1%. Opendoor's business is buying and selling residential real estate, which makes the company highly sensitive to mortgage rates. Opendoor stock crashed when the Fed rapidly raised rates in 2022 as home buying demand slowed significantly. The company has since streamlined its business, cutting inventory and laying off employees. The home flipper should also benefit from any effect on the housing market that raises home prices, and lower rates generally accomplish that, though home prices are at all-time highs now, even with elevated mortgage rates. Regardless of price movement, lower rates will almost certainly spur home buying demand, which will benefit Opendoor. Is Opendoor stock a buy? Opendoor's business has improved since the stock plunged in 2022, but it's still facing challenges. In the seasonally strong second quarter, it reported an adjusted earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization (EBITDA) loss of $5 million, which was much better than its loss of $168 million, but shows the company is still struggling to turn a profit. It's accelerating its home buying, purchasing 4,771 homes in the second quarter, up 78% from the prior year. This shows confidence in the housing market and its own demand pipeline, though it still expects another EBITDA loss in the third quarter. Management did say, however, "We believe that we are well positioned to benefit from any potential tailwinds from positive changes in interest rates." Opendoor remains a high-risk stock but has upside potential in a healthier housing market. Don't be surprised to see the stock keep climbing if investors get more good news on the interest rate front. Should you invest $1,000 in Opendoor Technologies right now? Before you buy stock in Opendoor Technologies, consider this. The Motley Fool Stock Advisor analyst team just identified what they believe are the 10 best stocks for investors to buy now, and Opendoor Technologies wasn't one of them. The 10 stocks that made the cut could produce monster returns in the coming years. Consider when Nvidia made this list on April 15, 2005. If you invested $1,000 at the time of our recommendation, you'd have $758,227 *. Stock Advisor provides investors with an easy-to-follow blueprint for success, including guidance on building a portfolio, regular updates from analysts, and 2 new stock picks each month. The Stock Advisor service has more than quadrupled the return of S&P 500 since 2002 star.